Hi guys, it's Coach Cheryl again here. Gusto ko lang sagutin tong POV na to. Coach, pwede ba ako dyan kahit hindi ako construction professional? Meaning, hindi ako engineer, hindi ako architect, or wala akong construction background. Interesting. Actually, pwede. Pwede. Pero, I'd like you to look at this job posting from LinkedIn and Upwork, okay? Ang tagal ko nang gustong gumawa ng ganitong content for the clarification and for the understanding of many. Ayoko kasing isipin nyo na I discriminate those who are not from this niche or I ridicule yung mga nagpupumilit na mabelong sa niche na to even if they don't have a background or they don't have an experience. Tingnan nyo to. They're looking for a construction scheduler. So pag-usapan natin muna. Upwork to Ano ba trabaho ng isang construction scheduler? Mukhang mahaba to. If you are a construction scheduler, guys, it's like you're doing a storytelling how to get that structure built. So alam mo kung paano gagawin yung kwento na yon. So paano ka gagawa ng kwento kung hindi mo naman alam kung paano siya ikwento? Well, madaling maggawa ng kwento, right? But paano mo ikukwento? Or paano mo sasabihin kung paano itayo yung structure na yon, yung duration niya, yung critical path niya. Ano yung mga tasks na nakadependent from another task? Meaning, anong task yung mga hindi mo pwedeng gawin before ka gumawa ng susunod na task? That's project scheduling. Diba? Yun yung work ng isang construction project scheduler. Ngayon, dito tayo sa part na paano nga naman ako magtatayo ng bahay? Saan ako mag-umpisa? Where do I start? Gaano ba katagal ang proseso ng ganito, ng ganyan, ng ganyan? Sino ba lalapitan ko? Anong resources ba yung kailangan ko to do this task? Balik tayo sa tanong nyo. Coach, pwede ba akong mag-training as a construction or dyan sa project scheduling mo? Yes, by all means. Open to for anyone who's interested to learn how to do construction scheduling. Kaso lang, ano yung background mo? Coach, general VA kasi ako wala din akong construction background. Hindi rin ako engineer, hindi rin ako architect. So, ano ang magiging basis mo in case pagawan ka ng schedule? Kung wala kang alam about construction or wala kang understanding about materials sa building construction, or hindi ka marunong magbasa ng plano, paano natin iraraos yan? Pwede ka naman mag-training, pero ang training namin, I cannot promise na matutulungan kita kung paano magtayo ng bahay. or paano magtayo ng isang structure, or kung paano alamin, paano gumawa ng commercial project like manufacturing plant, ano mga trades or construction worker ang kailangan dyan, ano materialis ang kailangan dyan. Alam mo kung bakit? Inaral namin yan sa building construction. Pero, may solution naman dyan. Research ka. Everything is available in the internet. Kaso lang, may time ka ba para mag-research habang ginagawa mo yung schedule mo? Yes, okay lang naman maging construction professional ka or mag-work ka as construction professional remotely. Kaso lang, the word construction professional, construction professional ka nga ba? So guys, tingnan niyo to. Ano ang kailangan na background? 3 years construction background or construction background. Tapos sasabihin mo sa akin, Coach, pag na-hire ba ako, may work na ako kaagad. Tapos hindi ka construction background. I mean, wala kang construction background at hindi ka construction professional. Guys, come to think of this. If I'm providing a training and tatanggapin ko kayo lahat, parang palengke lang, for a certain role na it requires education, understanding, oo, kayang-kaya niyo yan. Pero, yung aralin yung mga bagay na inaral for how many years ng iba, it might be difficult for you. But, walang problema doon. You can always learn. You can always do research. Pero, sasabihin ko sa inyo, kahit nga yung civil engineer na nag-training sa akin, civil engineer grad siya ha, pero nung gumagawa ng schedule, hindi niya alam kung paano magtayo ng isang structure. That's a fact. So, yes, I can train you guys. Pero, if you notice, ang participants namin ay maximum 15. We don't overcrowd. There are so many reasons, and this is just the part 1 of my vlog on the POV coach. Pwede ba ako maging construction BA? Pwede ba ako maging construction estimator? Pwede ba ako maging construction project scheduler? Pwede ba ako maging isang construction project coordinator? Sundan niyo yung susunod na vlog ko regarding this.